Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all the videos that I post. Today's video, we are going to be doing a Shein haul. We are a couple days away from Valentine's Day, and you know what that means. We're all finding the perfect outfit, whether it means that we're having a Valentine's Day, we're just dressing up for ourselves, or we're gonna have a romantic dinner with our significant other. Don't forget that just because you are not celebrating Valentine's Day with a significant other does not mean you cannot celebrate Valentine's Day for yourself. So make sure to put on a cute dress, a cute outfit, some makeup, and have yourself a really nice dinner. I think my husband and I are actually going to be staying in and just kind of having a romantic dinner and going to take some photos. I think that's all that we have planned for Valentine's Day. There's not really much we can do with the pandemic. So I encourage you just to kind of have a relaxing night and do what feels best for you. All items in today's video will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box because it'll have the exact link. Also, don't forget to use my code at checkout to save you 15% off your entire purchase. First off, in today's haul, I'm actually going to be talking about the satin pajama set that I did get from Shein. I decided to get this set on Shein because it is super cute, and what better way than to have a Valentine's Day pajama outfit to wake up to on Valentine's Day. It's really festive, really nice. I do want to say that it is like your typical satin pajama set. The only thing is that I would recommend you going up 2 sizes. Polyester usually doesn't have a really big stretch, so if you're like me and you like to have things oversized, I would definitely recommend going up 2 sizes. I have hips and a butt and a chest, a bigger chest area, so I definitely recommend sizing up. It is still a really nice color. I love everything about it. It definitely seems like something that you can get at Target, but a little cheaper. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and have this directly in the description box so that you can shop this look. It is so comfortable, and anything silk makes me feel a little bit more fresh. So if you're like me and you get really hot at night, this is a really good option. So the next item we are going to be talking about is actually this corset. It is super cute and so popular. It does have wiring and bone right here around and under the chest area. It also has boning right on the side. It is a typical corset with a back and nice ribbon. I got this in a size 1XL. So my back is actually really wide, and I decided to go ahead and get a 1X in this, which I believe is a size 14. My typical size is a 12, and I went ahead and sized up in this so that it can fit me comfortably. Even if it does have an adjustable back to it, I still wanted to make sure that it did fit me. I really love this trend so much, and I decided that I wanted to switch it up a little, so I did grab this one. So this is our second item, super cute. So the third item I did pick up is actually this very flowy, Free People inspired, nice button down shirt. I got this in a size 2XL. According to the reviews, the original product is supposed to be kind of like a crop top. I personally don't like crop tops, so I sized up to a 2XL so that it can fit me right up my waistline, and I can wear this comfortably with jeans and a nice tank top under, because as you can see, it is see-through. The print is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it is actually Free People inspired, but a lot less of the cost, so I'm really happy that I went ahead and picked this up. It does have buttons that you can take apart and put together, so they're functional and it works really well. I can't wait for you guys to see what this looks like with jeans. This is a really subtle look for Valentine's Day, especially if you're not really that much of a bright pink kind of person for your outfit. This works and it is beautiful. The material is great. I love anything floral print. Anything floral, puff sleeve, organza is just something that I really love to style. I have never really dove into having an organza top like this one. This is what it looks like. I love the print. It is definitely more of a classier business type of blouse, but I figured this is a good way to also wear jeans and have more of a sexy Valentine look, but still keep it really classy and won't show as much skin. I picked this up in a size 1XL. Organza does not stretch at all. Whether it's from Shein, whether it's from another store, organza does not stretch. So if you have a wider back like me and bigger arms like me, I suggest going up a size from your regular size so that your arms are comfortable. And if you have a bigger chest area, I definitely would say to go up a size as well. I really love this top. I'm like obsessed with anything organza. This is beautiful. When going through Shein, I definitely wanted everything to be a lot festive for Valentine's Day. Sweater actually has red hearts on it to kind of keep with the Valentine's Day theme. This is more of a casual look. Definitely the easier way to go with leggings and jeans. It makes it all easy just to kind of throw everything on if you're at home or you have a Valentine's Day event. This is the perfect outfit. I kind of imagine this with some white jeans. I don't think I have any white jeans currently, but this with white jeans would actually be really, really cute. It is super stretchy, and I got this in a size extra large. I believe it was small, medium, large, and extra large that were only available, so they didn't go up more than that. But it is super stretchy at the bottom, and I'm so excited because sometimes sweaters can be a little tight at the bottom, and that makes it really uncomfortable. But other than that, all of this is really stretchy. It does have a deep V that I'm kind of concerned about, but I feel like I could wear an undershirt or a bralette and make it work. So this was also a really good get for Valentine's Day. Like I said, a really good Valentine's Day outfit. This sweater would be the cutest. I couldn't go without getting a pink satin blouse from Shein. It is a staple and must-have for Valentine's Day, especially if you're trying to create a bunch of outfits that have pink and you're a content creator and just want to go with things that are like Valentine's Day inspired. This is a must. I got this in a size 1XL because it is satin. I always like to make sure that I go a size up. I like to be a little bit more comfortable. I don't like to have the buttons opening, and so a 1XL really works out for me because it is not spilling out all my goods. So I do want to say and emphasize again, the buttons have changed on Shein. I think they're going more with a white button on any shirt that's a button down, which is kind of, you know, surprising. Not a big deal, but it is noticeable. I really like this shirt. If you're familiar with the channel, I actually ordered a black one identical to this because of the Zara dupe. So I'm going to go ahead and link the Zara dupes down below so you can go ahead and check out that black one. But it fits and looks the exact same way, so the consistency is really good. So the next item we are going to be talking about is actually this balloon knit sweater. I am in love. This has to be my favorite item out of the bunch because the square neckline, I didn't think that it was going to be as good on me as it was on the model, or it just looked in general, and this was beautiful. The material is great. I did get it, and I believe I got it 2 sizes bigger. Let me go ahead and check. I got it in a size 1XL. So like I said, I'm usually a 12. This is and would be considered a size 14. I wanted it to be a little baggy and just kind of be a little oversized. So like I said, if you like your stuff, don't hesitate to go up a size. Size is just a number. It's all about your comfort and how you like things. So if you like things a little tight, I would go for your normal size. Oversized, I would definitely size up. So this is a really nice top that I went ahead and decided that I wanted to pair with jeans or leggings or dressy pants. You guys will see how I style these as well. Super cute. I'm so excited. So my next item is actually inspired by going out and have a fancier dinner and kind of stepping into a restaurant in a really nice dress. I chose this burgundy deep V neck. It's pleated. It is an A-line dress, so it flatters right around under your bust, so it kind of flares out almost like a skater dress. It is beautiful and it does everything for my curves and my hips. It doesn't make me look short. I hate when dresses that are like skater kind of make me look like that. The back of the dress also has pleats. It looks like it was done beautifully. The sleeves are balloon sleeves, so it adds an extra detail to that. I got this in a 0XL, which is a size 12, and it fits me just right. I feel like I chose the right size for this. If I would have gone down a size, it would have not fit the way I like it. So for the next item, I need you to keep an open mind, because when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect. I really need that shirt. So I went ahead and picked up this button down with these figures of women here. I really love this shirt because it actually goes longer than your normal length of button downs. If you're short like me, this can pass as like right above your knee and kind of work as a dress, if you will. I did get this in a size 1XL. I am always sizing up with button downs. Like I mentioned, you never really know how it's gonna fit in your chest area, but just the detail is just perfect. It's actually not vinyl, so it's not like stickied on here. It's actually like imprinted. This is part of like the fabric, which is really nice because when you wash it, it's not going to give you troubles. So this shirt overall is really nice. I can't wait to wear it. I feel like I'm going to be in this one 24/7. It is so beautiful. If your style and aesthetic is like this, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed all of the items that I got inspired by Valentine's Day. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. I'm curious to know which one it was because there were so many good ones. Don't forget to check out Shein for all of the unique products and styles they have. They've got tons of styles on there and they're so affordable. Don't forget to also use my discount at checkout to get 15% off. And before you leave, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.